Today's tutorial is about how to crop an image using clipping mask on Illustrator and how to merge two images to create a creative one in just one click. What's going on, everybody? So this is Sri from Doodler, and without adding further ado, let's see how we can make it. So we are in Adobe Illustrator. So this is Adobe Illustrator CC 2015. So first of all, I'm going to place the two images I want to crop and I want to merge. So I will go to File, Place. So here you can see the two images I have already downloaded from Pixels. So I have given the download link in the description below. You can go ahead and download it. So first of all, I'm going to place this one. So now as you can see that the image is pretty big, so I'm going to make it small. So I'm just holding the Shift and Alt key and dragging it towards the artboard. So this is how you will make it small, just like that. Okay, this image is a little bit longer in length, so I need to crop this image. So to do that, I will go to Rectangle tool. I will select any color from here and just draw a shape which will be similar to our artboard shape. Okay, now I will select both, right click and make clipping mask. As I did that, as you can see, this has already been cropped, so it's a single click thing. Okay, now what I will do, I will take the next image. So for that I will go to File, Place. So here you can see the same thing is happening, like this image is bigger, so I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, so I'm just dragging it, and what I'm going to do is, now I will place this bird around here, I mean near to the flower. Okay, so making it a little bit smaller. Yep, I think here it will be fine. Yeah, perfect. Now I will take another rectangle tool. I will go to Rectangle tool. I will create another shape just like before, and I will select this two image now, and I will click on Make Clipping Mask. So now you can see that it has already been cropped. So what I will do now, I will select the both image and I will go to Windows, Appearance. I will click on the opacity, and here you can see from here you can change the blending mode, and I will change it to darken. So once I click on darken, as you can see, this bird has already been cropped and merged with this image and created a complete new image. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give your feedback and comment in the comment section like what you feel about this video, and if you have any better suggestion or idea about this crop tool in Illustrator, then also suggest that. So be positive, be awesome, be creative and be unique, and I will see you in the next video. Until then,